Hello and welcome to the TMC Newsroom. Thanks for watching today. My name is Rich Tehrani. We are coming to you from Las Vegas at Interop 2011. On our program is Ajit Gupta. He is the president and CEO of Aryaka. His company makes cloud-based WAN optimization and application acceleration solutions. Ajit, how are you?
Good.
So tell me, how's life? What's happening at the company?
Life is really good. We're very excited to have launched the world's first cloud-based WAN optimization and application acceleration platform. And we are bringing about a whole new way of how enterprises can make communication faster and better.
So tell me, what is it about cloud-based WAN optimization and app acceleration that is superior to traditional methods, which are generally hardware boxes coupled with potentially software, one or the other, or sometimes both?
As you rightly said, the old traditional way of doing things was to buy these boxes and then use MPLS to connect. Now the problem with that was it was too costly, too expensive, takes too long, and requires a lot of IT expertise. What we are bringing to the market for the first time is eliminating the need for the boxes, eliminating the need for the management, and eliminating the need for the network. So now that whole WAN optimization is within the network itself. And from a cost perspective, you don't have to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars up front. It's on a monthly pay-as-you-go basis, and it is much simpler and much affordable. So it brings a new level of affordability to the, especially to the mid-market companies who so far was just sitting on the sidelines and watching the solution being enjoyed by big companies with big IT staff and the ability to write big checks.
Right.
Now it's like, you can think of us as, rather than having your own aircraft and your own pilot and plotting your own route, now we are bringing about an era of a commercial airlines where a lot of people can travel and make their bits and bytes travel faster between the various nodes, whether it is a branch office or a cloud-based service or remote locations or some outsourced development team. So it is all about bringing a better, faster and inexpensive way of doing business.
So I'm curious, I mean, there was a high-profile outage maybe, a month or two ago, Amazon, EC2. What are your thoughts on that, being in this space?
You know, any outage is bad. And as long as it's used as a learning experience and we improve things, it is the step in the right direction. Outages happen even within organization. It's just that they don't become big news. It's just that because it happened to Amazon, it's just because it only happened to those people who had not planned that well. But if you had a plan B and a plan C and plan D,
right, you were fine.
Your life was fine. So it's just that you have to be prepared. Bad things will happen. It's just how you deal with it.
Okay, great answer. Now, what's been the response to your products?
It's been
or
tremendous.
Your solutions.
Yeah, it's been tremendous. We launched last year. It is, being the first one has its benefit and challenges. So we have to educate the market a little bit of evangelism. But the moment they try our solution, the moment they see that using Aryaka with internet is better than having a WAN optimization with MPLS, they are like, when can I sign it? It takes a little while for them to understand that there is a better and a newer way of doing business, that they don't have to suffer the cost and complexity of WAN optimization. But we are seeing a tremendous amount of interest, both the inbound as well as through our own sales efforts. The media has written about us. We've been named as a cool vendor by Gartner, and every time we are written about by people in the tech world, it helps and brings more business to us.
And what sorts of companies do benefit most from working with you?
So the biggest benefit is for companies who have locations which are spread around the world. So the further away your branch offices are, or you are moving your services to the cloud, or you're working with a outsourced development team. And the trends of centralization, that is helping us, along with the desire of consolidating the infrastructure. And that drives the need for our solution, because when you have people accessing applications, a lot of data has to be transferred, and it has to be transferred over long distance, and then latency kind of gets into the picture and kills the productivity and performance. And that's where our solution makes things work much faster, speeds things up.
So what's next for the company?
The next for the company is to get to a stage where we become cash flow positive, and we hope to reach that stage within the next 2 years, and so we can control our own destiny.
And continue the growth?
And continue the growth.
Add new customers,
Customers,
help them grow?
Yes, absolutely. Customers and service providers. So we want our solution to be widely available. We want to bring about the world where it is not just about dumb networks. It is not about just dumb pipes. It is about an optimized and a smart and an intelligent network without those boxes in your backyard. And we want to be available in various service providers around the world. So more and more people, especially the mid-market, who so far were just not being able to afford the solution, can jump in and start experiencing the benefits.
Now, how has this economic environment affected you? Is it a good environment, a bad environment? What's going on there?
You know, I think it's a mixed bag. Definitely, on the positive side, when the economy is not doing well, everybody is looking to save, and cost cutting is a big thing, and that's where consolidation and the desire to save on bandwidth, the desire to improve productivity kicks in. So we benefit from that trend. But on the downside, it's just when companies don't want to make any changes and they just go in a shell, that getting them out and saying no, you've got to go get on with life and continue to learn and adopt new ways. From that perspective, it kind of slows things down. So, but I would say there are more positives than there are negatives.
Excellent. Well, thanks for being on the program today.
Thank you very much for having me.
Great to see you.
Thank you.